Well, for those wanting to buy a property, Saturdays can mean racing from one open house to another and getting your hopes up to make an offer only to be outbid. And although there is slightly more availability at the moment in WA, it's still tough for West Aussies trying to achieve the great Australian dream. So to share some tips and insight into how you can finally get into the market is Cam McLellan, author of My 4-Year-Old, The Property Investor and CEO of OpenCorp. Cam, a very good morning to you. So firstly, let's start. If you were trying to buy your first home, what's your advice?
Oh, Lara, thanks for having me on. It's fantastic to be speaking with you today. The first home buyers trying to get into the market, I want to debunk something. Some of the boomers will say that they had 18% interest rates back in the day. The reality is back in the 80s and 90s, the average income was about $40,000, the average home was around $100,000, so 2 and a bit times. Nowadays, the average wage is $100,000 and the average property is $1 million. So it's 10 times harder. So it's a lot harder for kids to get into the property market now. So the trouble they've got is they can't save fast enough to get a deposit. So one of the ways we're finding is the bank of mum and dad is over the East Coast has been over the last decade providing a really strong financial incentive, helping their kids get into the property market. So if you can't get a deposit and you've got some mum and dad equity or profit in mum and dad's house, that is a good way to get into the property market.
Lucky you if you do have that, option. But the fact that the median house price in WA is sitting over $760,000, it's an extraordinary amount of money that people have got to save up for. But Cam, when you are ready to make a move and make an offer, what's your tip there?
Yeah, if you're ready to get into the market, the key thing is to basically find the right investment for you. So a lot of millennials can't buy in the suburb they want to live. So we use a process called rentvesting. OpenCorp help young people get into the property market by buying in an area that's going to get good capital growth, but it might be more affordable. They can then rent in the cool areas where they can go to the nightclubs, probably sacrifice and get a property that's good for investment and live in the area you want to live. And when that goes up in value, take the equity out and then you can buy your dream home.
Cam, just finally, really quickly, what about for those who are lucky enough to already own their home? How can they utilise their existing property to get ahead?
Yeah, we've got a lot of Perth clients who are accessing the equity out of that because the Perth market's had some really exciting growth over the last 4 years, but it's starting to cool off. There's still specific areas that are good for growth, but it's getting harder and harder to find. So the clients in Perth, we're now accessing some of their equity and we're buying investment properties on the East Coast so they can get that continued growth and set themselves up for retirement.
Cam McLellan, we really appreciate your insight this morning.